Hi guys, andito kami sa landmark ni ate. Manunod kami nito. Oh. May food demo sila. Ayan, nagpe-prepare na sila. Malapit na mag-start. May natikman na namin ni ate yan sa loob eh. Ang sarap ng paprika na yan. Para kang hindi kumain ng ano. Sa atin, anong tawag niyan sa atin? Bell pepper. Diba? Sa kanila paprika. Ang sarap. Para kang kumain ng prutas. Napabili na kami ni ate. Tapos bumili na rin kami ng cream cheese. Ng butter. Tapos pwede mo siyang ipalaman sa crackers. Yan. So, bumili na rin ako ng Skyflex. Sarap yan guys. Nag-demo sila sa loob kanina habang nag-grocery kami ni ate.
Haka-taste ma'am. Ito mama.
Ayan o, yung free taste nila.
Yes po. Haka-taste ma'am.
Ma'am, natry na po namin sa loob kanina.
Ayun ma'am. Taste lang naman siya ma'am. More on vitamin C po yan ma'am. Ang katumbas po ng isang peraso niyan ma'am, 2 times ng lemon, 2 times ng strawberry. Tapos 4 times ng orange ma'am, 6 times naman po siya ng kiwi ma'am. Kaya mas healthy po ang Korean food. Yes ma'am. Korean paprika.
Ang restaurant yun eh. Yung kasi i-follow niyo yung niya, yung Facebook page niya, kaya TikTok
Facebook
niya.
page niya o kaya TikTok.
Kasi my husband. Hello. Legit si Abby. Halos lahat ng mga niluluto ko sa bahay.
Gawa niya. Ginagaya mo.
Yung menu.
Kasi na-interesado ko lumpia king, sabi ko.
Kasi,
Ano kaya nakagawa siya ng lumpia raffle?
Hindi po, sumikat talaga siya dahil sa, parang nag-video siya. Isa sa niluluto niya, ang pinakasumikat ay yung lumpia.
Lumpia mo na.
Shanghai. Yata.
Hindi sariwa. Gusto kasi matutunan yung wrapper ng fresh lumpia.
Yung rice paper.
Hindi yung rice paper, yung parang flour siya.
Yung flour lang, na ginaganon, parang gaw-gaw.
Oo.
Ano yung natin pangalan niya?
Oo. Baka gagawin niya kasi meron siyang
Hindi, nila.
Ay, iba daw.
Legit talaga si Abby. Para sa akin siya yung the best na food vlogger kasi ang dali, yung mga niluluto niya, mapapanood mo na mga isang minuto lang. Tapos, ang bilis niya.
Food vlogger siya.
Hindi siya yung nag-review, siya yung nagluluto.
Ayan siya si Abby.
Parang may lalaki din.
Food vlogger pala
Kasi
siya.
yung lalaki mataba, sininong kayo walang kwenta yun. So,
Hindi, yung payat siya.
Sininong.
Yung hindi mo. Yung burger yun
Siguro nakita taniyam siya. Pag-collab sa kanya.
Oo.
Nasa Wofix, baka nasa Wofix si Abby.
I got you guys. I'll make this perfect. How are you?
Okay.
Pinuntahan niyo ba ako dito or nag-grocery kayo at parang may nakita kayong maganda din sa akin?
Pareho. Nag-grocery ito sa may Taga-Pampanga.
Ako po ay taga-Laguna talaga. So, solo niyo ako for today. Usually, my food demos are in Manila. So,
Nasa Wofix ka ba? Nasa Wofix.
Wofix, yes! We'll be also in Wofix. We'll be cooking these recipes as well. So, punta kayo sa Wofix on Friday. August
2.
2, yeah. August 2. I'm ready. Are you ready? Yay! Yeah! Guys, mahaba-habang demo to. Sana ay kayo mapagod. This is gonna be 5 recipes for today. So, before anything else, hello everyone. I am Abby Marquez. I'm a food content creator. And together with Hwasan One, Korean Food, and Korean Agri-Fisheries Food Trade Corporation, we welcome you to Korean Food!
Yay!
Yes! Yes, yes. So, we're very familiar with paprika. Actually, ang tawag natin ay bell pepper.
Yeah, bell
right?
pepper.
But, I am personally the type of person na very passionate when it comes to the quality of the ingredients. Especially when I did a food business, talagang pag umibili ako, for example, ng green onions, pag may isang higla doon na dilaw, hindi ako ulit. So, I'm very much attracted. I'm a grocer. Happy place ko ang grocery. And kapag nakakakita ko ng mga ganito kagandang products, hindi ko mapigilang bilhin siya. And today, I will show you how to use this beautiful Korean paprika in front of you in different dishes, what are the benefits, and how you can enjoy them in your home. So, kung mabudol ko kayo during this demo, you can buy it here in Landmark. Yes, nakita ko kay Craig doon, puno yun. Go guys!
Nakabili na kami.
Okay?
Nakabili na
So,
kami.
number one.
Ayan, nakabili na.
You will
Nakabili
enjoy
na.
it. You will enjoy it. Okay, so first recipe, simplihan lang muna natin. I want you to really appreciate the flavor of this paprika. So paprika, hindi siya maanghang actually. It's mild, it's sweet. Hindi siya maanghang, kahit mukha siyang sili. That's different.
Oo.
So, I want you to taste, although it may seem weird to some, papapakin natin siya. Because Korean paprika can be eaten fresh and it's actually very beneficial also. Kasi it's very high in vitamin C. So, the more you eat it, the more vitamin C, the healthier you are. Yes, we want that, yes?
Yes.
And for you to enjoy it more, you can eat it alone, but you can also make a dip. So, the dip I'm going to show you today is a
Ayan
blue
tayo yung
cheese
dip. Ayan.
Cheese
Blue
na
cheese.
may amag. Yes! Pero, hoy, ayan, delicacy yun. So, today I will show you how to make. It's super simple. Let's start with mayo.
Ay, mayo ata.
So, I'm a food content creator. If you watch my videos, you know na ganito lang ako magluto, simplihan lang. Kasi ayoko pinapahirapan kayo. At hindi ako nag-pressure. Because I really advocate for people to really own their recipes or own their dishes by really trying your cooking and feeling free to adjust. Kasi malay ko, mas gusto niyo yung adobo niyo, mas masuka, di ba? Ayoko lang yung paiyakin dahil gusto niyo sundin yung recipe ko. So, feel free. And then, this recipe actually requires sour cream. But ang ginagawa ko, pro tip, is I just use all-purpose cream because that's more accessible to us. And then I add lemon juice. So, kakapit yung lemon juice. And then, just squeeze it in there. And actually, yung acid dito sa lemon, mapapalapot kayo itong cream. Okay? So, just mix this. Season it with salt and pepper. Salt. Look at the salt. Ano ba? Bango siya. Pepper. A little bit of sugar. And then here comes the blue cheese. So ito yung pinaka-accessible that I found
Ayun
here
yun
in Santa
nandun.
Rosa.
Meron yan doon kanina.
This is Castello Danish blue. So any type of cheese naman that you want. Actually, hindi ako makain ng blue cheese as is kasi parang, reminds me of my socks, you know? But actually here, you can really appreciate the flavor. Okay. We'll add, ito, pwede ko siyang unti-untiin. I'll add maybe half of this. Guys, naghugas ako kamay, ah. Kala nyo. Mas gusto ko kasi yung feel na feel ko, yung feel ko. Wash ako ulit. And we'll just mix this, and that's it, guys. Oh my God, that's so easy, Abby. Oh my God, I will do that now. May babalik ko ba dyan sa grocery? Yes, yes. Okay. So mix that until smooth, and then set it aside. Then I will show you how to cut this beautiful Korean paprika. So for this one, you can use any color that you like. Actually, each color, they have their own benefits. Wow! Okay, so umpisa natin sa red. Red, parang kamatis. It's rich in lycopene. Para saan yun? Para sa ano daw? Anti-aging.
Galing niya mga...
Yes. So yung mga hindi tumatanda, pero yung sikreto nila, baka paprika pa rin.
Oo nga, no?
Ayan. So, that's one way to slice the paprika. And then just cut it nice sticks. Ayan. So yan muna. And then another way to slice it is cheek for cheek. Tapos, diba pala? Tapos, tsaka i-dig yung white part out. Here. Then, yung buto, pwede nyo itanim yan. Charot! Bumili na lang kayo.
Pag gano'n.
Pag gano'n! Slice into thin strips.
Pwede itanim.
naman, kung gusto nyo, ganyan. Pwede. Yan. Alam mo yung una ko naman tikman yung product. Nagulat ako may nakain pa siya lang. Kasi diba nakikita natin siya sa minuto, kaldereta, gano'n. Tapos pinatikim sa akin. Tapos parang siyang prutas.
Oo, parang prutas nga.
Parang prutas, right? Natikman na natin, tikman na if you have it.
Oo.
So that's one way also. But, ito ang medyo mabilis for me. Yan. Okay. Orange. Itong orange naman, marami itong vitamin C, tsaka beta-carotene. It's the same vitamins that you get from carrots. It actually has more vitamin C than carrots, the green paprika. But it also has almost half the beta-carotene. So, itong yellow naman, pang stress. May stress pa dito! Ako lang! Joke, guys. So, ayan. So, how you serve this is, kuha tayo ng plate. So, ito yung healthy snack. In this chips, you know.
Ah,
Ang dami.
okay. Okay na tayo. O, yan. Huwag ka na mag-chino. Huwag ka na mag-nuts.
Ayan. Lasang cheese. Okay? So guys, tingnan nyo, hala, ang daming vitamins, pa-healthy pa yung snack niya, tapos biglang cheese yung dip. Ano ba yun? Anong point? Nagpa-healthy ka pa? Hindi guys, the mindset is, if you can dress up something healthy, na it can make you eat more of the healthy stuff, that's not bad at all, right? Kasi may tita ako na pag nagsasalad ako, sabi niya, ba't mo nilagyan ng mayo? Wala na, sira na yung salad. Pampataba na rin yan. But you know, hindi ako kakain ng salad kung walang dressing. So if it enables me to eat more of the salad, then why not? So how you eat it is, ganun lang. Mas Netflix and chill na kayo. Yes! That's recipe number 1. Thanks guys. Okay. So, we will have you taste this. You can get samples there to the side. But they'll also prepare ones with the blue cheese, okay? Enjoy?
Enjoy.
Yes. That's recipe 1. Only. Okay? Give me a second, guys. Now, recipe number 2. This one, unfortunately, hindi ko kayo lahat mapapatikim nito. But, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamasarap. So, it's a trending dish on TikTok also. It's called the paprika burger. So, imagine burger, but instead of buns, paprika.
Oh.
May sound weird to you. Okay, ka na naman ang hilaw, but guys, oh my God, tinry ko siya. Ang sarap. Yes. Winner. So, how you do it is, ano yung mga favorite yung inclusions in a burger? Like, would anyone have their favorites?
Cheese.
Cheese. What else?
Onion.
Onion? Yes. Pwede rin.
Lettuce.
Lettuce, yeah. So, anything that you want to put in your burger, you can also put it in here. But the interesting thing about this dish, this trending dish, is they put also avocado. So, when you take a bite of this burger, you get a lot of vitamins from the paprika, you get good fats from
bumili ka avocado.
but you still enjoy the burger experience. So, let's start with that. Let me get my ingredients. Hindi po.
Ayan, ate.
Okay? So, we'll start with avocado. So, ito super simple. So, avocado, right? Wow. Okay. Imamash lang natin ito with salt and pepper. That's it. So, nakakadagdag din siya na parang smooth, custardy texture sa burger. And also the beautiful, that's all we need. And then, let's season that with salt. Good. And pepper.
Dapat pala
Then we mash. Now, we'll cut our paprika. So, since gusto natin siyang gawing buns, yes! Chikan tayo! So, when you're choosing a paprika for this, preferably yung kayang tumayo mag-isa. Kaya tumayo mag-isa. Yes. Yes. And also, you can use one color only or two colors. Then you can use the bottom part for the other one, and then yung top, ibang color naman. So how you cut this is, basically just cut it in half. Then use a spoon. And then just take out the core. Yeah. Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya, pero hindi pa ako tapos. Anyway, ayan, sa mga bagong dating, welcome everyone to our festival here where we're celebrating Korean paprika and its benefits. So, actually, let me introduce you to Ate Chris as well. She'll be assisting us today para kunyari apat yung kamay ko. So, ayan. Hello, Ate Chris! Hello, Ate Chris. Ayan. So, Ate Chris, tulungan ako mag-pour. So, just use a spoon para matanggal yung white parts ng ito. Then, if medyo nalalakad kayo dito sa bun, you can always trim. And then use this one for eating, or you can use it for other recipes. Eating. Yes. Ayun, ganun nga. Ayan. And then, gagawa na tayo ng ating patties. Okay? Ate Chris, snack mo. Baka gusto mo ng beef. Char. Okay. So, gawin na natin itong patties. And, with your patties, you need burger patties. So I'm using beef. To make it really simple, we'll use 100% beef. Parang commercial. At ibig sabihin, binili ko sa grocery na ganyan na yun. Hindi ko na siya nalagyan ng breadcrumbs, ng salt, whatever, whatnot. And what I'm gonna do is just grab some. And then, ang maganda dito, yung medyo tuyo siya. So, kung na-freeze nyo yung beef, tapos nagkaroon na siya ng ice crystals, nag-melt na siya, try nyo muna i-drain. Okay? And feel free to make any size you like. And since itong beef na part na nakuha natin is, marami siyang tabaks, marami siyang specks ng white, hindi na ako gagamit ng oil. But if gagamit kayo ng very lean cut of beef for your ground beef, you'll know kapag wala masyadong white, parang puro siya pink, puro siya brown, puro siya gray, Hinderburg. Pwede mo magamitan ng manila. So, I'll just do this. And then just place it on your hot pan. Like that. Ito pala. And ang gusto ko dito sa paprika burger is 2 patties siya. Pwede naman isa lang, pero mas bongga yung dalawa. Tsaka, protein. Kailangan lang ako natin ng excuse para kainin yung mga gusto natin na yun sa buhay. Yes. And actually, for this recipe, I will call 2 people here with me para mag-assemble din ng burger. And sila lang yung makakatigil. So, kung may pambato kayo sa pamilya, pwede rin, kasi pagka nakatikim siya, kakain din kayo.
Dali.
So, mag-ready-ready na kayo. Gagawa ko ng 4 na pan. Para 2 burgers yung magawa natin, okay? So, I'm just using my hands to bag it out. So, makikita nyo, kapag nagpo-mold ako ng burger pan, binabato-bato ko siya with my hands para mas maging tight or mawala yung mga bubbles sa loob. And then I just press it like that. And when you're making burgers, i-assume nyo na naliliit yung karne kapag sinalang mo siya sa heat. So, kung gusto nyo ganyan, i-mold nyo siya ng ganyan. Kung gusto nyo burger patty ganyan, i-mold nyo siya ganyan. Yan. Then, last one. Okay. And then, yung seasoning nito, magagaling sa just salt and pepper. Okay. Last one. So, again, grab a bowl of meat and then throw it around your hands para maging tight. And then you can start pressing it against your palm like this. Shape yung sides para maganda. Then make it bigger than you want it to be. So gano'n. Like simple video siya. So I will wash my hands again. Okay. Now,
Wala siya nilagay na asin, ano?
Wala nga daw. Pagkabili nga daw niya sa grocery, yun na yun.
season natin siya with
Ayan na.
Oh, yun na yun, as is.
Pwede, lalagyan na niya. Ayan na.
season is
Kaya sa kanya nilalagyan.
and pepper. By the way, guys, if you really want to upgrade your cooking at home, invest in a pepper grinder. Kasi iba talaga yung lasa ng bagong giling na pepper versus yung nagiling na. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice.
Wala mantika yan.
Buong buo.
Excited na kayo kumain! So, nakikinig ba kayo? Ready nyo na yung mga sagot nyo, ha? Okay, question number 1. For a chance to have your own paprika burger and share it with your family or yourself, what country is this beautiful Korean paprika from?
South Korea. South Korea.
Wait, sino na dito? Yes po. Yes po answer. You can just yell. Korea! Tama ba?
South Korea.
Yes, tama. Okay, congratulations. Ano ba rin nila? Mall? Mall? Mall?
Paul!
Sabi ko, Mall yung pangalan. Ang judge pa ng pangalan. Okay. Okay, tatandaan kita. Later. Mag-assemble tayo ng burger. Okay. Another one.
Dapat pala nakataas na yung kamay mo kagad.
Taas kamay mabilisan. Oh, wala pa question, Excited. Okay. Ito medyo mahirap, Next question. What is the dominant vitamin in paprika? Yes!
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C is correct! Yes! Let's go! Congratulations! Paano mo name nila?
Arthur.
Arthur! Okay, so Sir Arthur, Sir Paul later. Tawagin mo kayo dito. Kaya alis
Okay.
Pag umalis kayo, ibigay mo din sa bata ka dito. Ayan na. Ano gusto natin sa burger? Medium rare?
Ako, baby.
Gusto ko yung ulang kaga.
Dugo lahat.
Dugo lahat. Since mga Pinoy naman tayo, sige na i-well done natin yan. Para no risks din. And then, what else? Okay.
Sorry po.
Okay. So, di ba sabi ng na cheese? Pagbibigyan ko kayo. Lagyan natin ng cheese. Nasa natin yung cheese. Okay. So, I'm gonna use cheddar na madali mag-melt, pero maganda. So, my trick when making burgers is, yung cheese ilalagay ko na siya habang naluluto itong sino kayo mo na Then, another one. Para yung heat na nagluluto dun sa beef ay mag-melt din yung cheese. Okay? Okay. This one was done. Tapos pahingi na kami ng buns. Gusto ko yung maganda. Tsaka yellow. Yes, perfect. So para pantay sila, medyo buwasan yung ng red. Pag snack din ni Ate Chris. Alam niyo si Ate Chris nakaubusin na isang paprika burger sa rin. Kasi tinas check namin na paggabi. Tuwa siya. Okay, so patong natin yung isang slice over the other.
Ganda mo parang
Then, we'll just set
mahal
this
kasi mo po,
aside.
800 yata kilo niya. Yung US na beef
So,
yun eh.
ang
Yeah,
unang
US na
natin
beef.
ay ang ating dressing. So, I'll teach you a good, yes po, question.
Yung kung ginamit nyo na beef, ano po yung klase ng
Ano lang po yan? Grocery store beef. Wala pa akong budget pang Angus or
Grocery, mga
as in,
400.
lean ground beef. If you are going to grind your own beef, make sure nyo lang na sasama nyo ng konting taba or use a part na may on siyang fats para flavor and juices. Yes. Pero ito po ay ano na, humble. Kuya, pahingi po ng ground beef. Yung lean. Yung mas mura po, yung 370.
Sa doon niya. 380 sa taas.
Yeah.
380 sa
So, gawin natin yung dressing. Ito, lagi ko itong ginagawa. It's my favorite dressing kasi super simple but very delicious. And you'll find it similar to the ones na ginagamit sa mga fast food chains. Ayan. So, gamit tayo ng mayonnaise. Mustard. So, yung mga prepared mustard lang na nilalagay is over hot dogs. Tomato ketchup. Diba? Talagang tansya. Tansya siya.
Suka.
Tapos a splash of vinegar. And pickled
Pickles.
relish para may onting bite of tartness. Saan ko ito ginagawa? Ano ba yun? Kaya yung demo kung siguro na kumakain. Di ba gano'n naman talaga dapat? Hindi naman dapat. Gano'n naman talaga magluto. Minsan, naluluto ka. Season with salt and pepper. Then, sugar. Okay. Mix lang. Then, dito, nagmamatter na lang yung seasoning tsaka yung color na gusto niyo. If you want it a little more red, you can add more ketchup. Or feeling nyo super thin na siya, you can add more mayo. Or feeling nyo gusto sobrahan kayo sa any seasoning, pwede mo siyang balikan ng mayonnaise para mas na-hook in the back yung seasoning na sobrang. Okay. So, titikman ko to guys dahil nga tansya tayo. And ganito yung gusto kong vibes in the kitchen. It's just... Pero hindi natatawa, ganun talaga magluto, yes. Okay, I think it's good. Needs a little more sugar. And maybe salt. Okay, and that's gonna be our burger sauce. Now we can assemble. Okay, pre-drink. Sir Arthur and Sir Paul, let's go!
Yeah.
Guys, hindi to game. But actually cheer. This is not a game. Sige, papasok ko kayo. Sorry. Then, sige po. Relax na lang po sila. O, diba? Audience participation. Next guys, participate kayo.
Participate
Enjoy tayo
kasi.
lahat. Swerte naman ang pamilya ni Sir Arthur. Yes. Yeah, so snaps ko sila. And then, okay, bilisa po kayo ng board dito. Sabi natin. Para kita nila lahat. Ayan. Okay. Here, sige, yan. Here and here. Here lang. Okay. So, sign yourselves. Dito kayo, Sir. So, let's assemble this. Lagyan nyo muna ng sauce, yung bottom one. much as you like. Dami. Pwede mo ibalik. Hindi mo ito naman kung nalawayan. Okay. Yeah. And then, add some lettuce. Kasi palita ko. Parang may gusto ka rin ulit. Yes. Sige po. Kung gusto niyo po mas healthy, tamihan pa. Oh. Hoy, ang dami niya na. Sobrang okay ka. Okay. And then, ako na to. Your burger patty. Nice ba? Looks nice. Here's your medium rare. Ay, nanalaglag na siya. Ayan. And then, add nyo natin yung avocado.
Ah,
Okay. Add as much as you like also. On top of your more ano yung lettuce ko, Sir Arthur. Ayan. Diba ang ganda ng color? Yes. Tapos kung gusto nyo na, kunyari, nagbabawas kayo sa kain, you know, pero gusto nyo pa rin ng burger, no bread, just Korean paprika. Because, ayan, wait lang, bago kayo pusulit ulit, more burger sauce on. Yeah. And did you know that Korean paprika is also very low in calories? It has a lot of water kasi. So later, one of our recipes is gonna be a smoothie. Makikita nyo kahit hindi gamitan ng tubig. As in, kasi ang dami siya tubig. It's very low in calories but very rich in vitamins. Ayan. So now, brown your paprika burger. May tip ako sa inyo. Ito ginagamit ko sa videos. Pag may audience kayo or pag may camera dito, you always have to mind, ano itsura niya dyan. So, ang pandaya ng mga tao is, gaganito siya, ilalabas mo ng konti. O, diba? Social media. Yes! Yes, you want some help? Ayan! Ayun na, maganda yan. Photogenic yun. Yeah! Perfect! Ganda! Okay, so, let me grab a plate for you guys. Ba't kayo nagpapaligsahan? Parang sabi niya, maganda yung akin. Yan. And then, wait lang. Bigyan natin ng dyaryo. Wow! Yan, yung parchment paper lang yun. Okay, put it now. There. Bigyan natin sila ng opportunity to take a photo bago natin kainin yan. Okay? Beautiful! Okay, palakpakan mo natin, Sir Arthur. Yes, thank you po.